Hey, welcome back. Today we're going to see how to change an engine air filter on a Jeep Compass or a Dodge Journey or Jeep Liberty 2011 to 2017 range. It's kind of different than in normal cars. As usual, Jeep Dodge brand is weird and they make it harder to do anything. Usually you pop out your air box right here. Once you open your hood, latch it properly, and then here's your box, right? But normally you would just pop out and do. But in here, you have 1, 2, 3, and there's 2 screws in the back and 2 on this side, I believe. So you have to take all that out. Do not undo these. The engine control module ECU is right here. So you don't want to be disturbing that wiring and resetting any of the learned setting or anything like that. So don't remove these main communication wires from here. We'll just remove the whole thing, and you can see that here it clearly says that do not remove it, just remove the whole thing as such. All right, we're going to be removing these screws. 8mm, have some extensions because you would need it for back there, flexible extensions and stuff. So starting with removing this one, I can show how big they are, about that big. Let's do the same for every single one. All right, for the ones in the back, if you notice, this is a wobble extension. So a little bit of angle makes it easy to actually get that out. Make sure it doesn't fall down in there. Yeah, it's tight all the way. All right, there it comes. All right, this is totally unnecessary, but just to check the battery and stuff, turn these and you can actually take this whole thing out. So give some extra space just to check your battery to make sure your terminals are okay while you're doing this as well. Either one. All right, let's just take this bracket off as well. So when you flip, it's possible. And also you can check the ground connection there. All right. And just take the one on this side. The very last one in the back, you just have to not use the extension, use the shorty one, and then you'll be able to take it off. All right, now you just pop the lid without disconnecting any of the wires. As you can see, this is a weird looking cold air intake looking thing. And that's it. This is a good chance for you to vacuum out all this debris here and replace it with something new. What we're going to be using here is something from Amazon, a premium filter. I will put the link in the description for this particular filter and a couple more for your choices in this video. Just hit that description, expand the more, and you'll see the link and you can buy through that as well. It costs less than 20 bucks, so change it yourself and save a lot of money. All right, simply just put it in and twist it, and it should be seated. That's it. Nothing complicated. Just put it in, make it clean, and put the bolts back on. Okay, you're looking for 6 bolts total on the 8mm and 1 10mm bolt on the bracket right here. All right, then reverse the process basically, and basically you're just tightening everything snug at that point. Even though this has the option to use a Phillips screwdriver, do not use it. This is Phillips size 3. As you can see, the gap is really big. Unless you have like really big 3 size screwdrivers, do not use that. It will strip completely. Using number 8mm is the best way to go. And finally, make sure your bracket is installed. And that is it. Wiggle it around, make sure it's nice and snug. Put this back on. It just goes and clicks and turns. That's about it. And that is how you would change an air filter on a Jeep Dodge Chrysler from 2011 to 2018 range. And it's a little bit complex, but it's worth doing because you would save a ton of money. Okay, if you like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. You can off.
Nope.